Hey guys, welcome back to another super simple guitar tutorials. Today we are going to learn a beautiful song which called Deathbed by Pawfo. Now for the basics of this song, you need your guitar on the standard tuning and you won't need a capo for this one. Now before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and comment down below what other songs would you like to learn. We have just one general chord progression for this song and we're going to play it for entire song in the same pattern which goes like C, C major 7, F, and F minor. Now let's move on to the strumming pattern, which is really nice and easy. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And also we are going to play this strumming pattern once for each chord. So in total, our general chord progression will sound like this. That's it guys, we're just going to keep playing this strumming pattern and general chord progression for the entire song. If you found out this lesson helpful, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and share the video. See you later.